Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common tax question: how to add your 1099-R form on TurboTax for the 2025 tax year. If you're dealing with distributions from pensions, annuities, or retirement accounts, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to handle it like a pro, saving time and avoiding potential errors. First, gather your 1099-R form. This document includes key details like the amount distributed and any tax codes, so keep it handy. Start by logging into your TurboTax account. If you're new, create one. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, navigate to the Federal section, then click on Wages and Income. This is where you'll find various income sources. Scroll down to the Retirement Plans and Social Security category. Look for the option labeled IRA, 401k, pension plan withdrawals or something similar. That's your entry point for the 1099-R. Click on it, and TurboTax will prompt you to add your form. Enter the required information step by step. Start with the payer's details, then the gross distribution amount from Box 1, and any codes from Boxes 2 through 7. TurboTax is user-friendly, so it might explain each field as you go. After entering the data, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Double-check numbers and codes to prevent any issues during filing. If you have multiple 1099-R forms, repeat the process for each one. Finally, once you're satisfied, save your entries and continue with the rest of your return. Remember, TurboTax often suggests next steps based on your inputs. If you run into any snags, use the Help Center or consult a tax professional. There you have it. That's how to add your 1099-R on TurboTax for 2025. This guide should help you file confidently. If it did, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.